Welcome to the 7W Data Insights, your daily pulse on what's really moving the AI world. If you want the full context behind today's headlines, make sure you're subscribed to the newsletter. Now, let's connect the dots. Today's signal is impossible to ignore. Enterprise AI investment is exploding, yet returns remain stubbornly elusive. On one side, we see record-breaking acquisitions, nine-figure funding rounds, and trillion-dollar infrastructure ambitions. On the other, a stark data point. MIT research shows that 95% of enterprise AI projects fail to deliver ROI, despite $40 billion spent in a single year. That contrast sets the tone for everything else. Here's the shift. ServiceNow just closed its largest ever acquisition, bringing Moveworks fully into the fold. This isn't just another software deal. It's a clear bet on agentic AI, systems designed to act, decide, and execute workflows with minimal human intervention. Combined with ServiceNow's enterprise reach, this signals where large vendors believe value will be created next. Autonomous agents embedded directly into operational platforms. The competitive message is loud. If you're an enterprise software provider, agentic capabilities are moving from nice to have to table stakes. But now comes the uncomfortable question. If enterprise AI is maturing, why are returns still so rare? The MIT numbers offer a sobering answer. Most organizations still start with technology, not outcomes. They deploy impressive models, run pilots, and generate demos, but struggle to cross the gap into production. Weak data foundations, unclear ownership, limited user adoption, and unresolved compliance concerns quietly derail progress. This changes how success should be measured. The signal here is not invest more in AI, but be ruthless about why AI exists in the first place. That context makes another headline especially revealing. Snowflake and Anthropic have signed a $200 million partnership to bring Claude directly into Snowflake's data cloud. This matters because it flips a long-standing pattern. Instead of moving sensitive data into AI systems, AI now moves to where the data already lives. That reduces security risk, simplifies governance, and shortens the path from insight to action. Strategically, it also turns data platforms into the new battleground for AI adoption. Control the data layer, and you control how AI scales. Meanwhile, PolyAI's $86 million raise at a $750 million valuation shows where investors see near-term monetization. Voice AI, especially in call centers and service environments, has a clear business case. PolyAI's decision to build its own models, rather than relying on generic third-party systems, signals a broader trend toward specialization. General-purpose models get attention, but domain-specific systems get revenue. Now let's talk about risk, because today delivered a sharp reminder. A bug in Anthropic's Claude CLI tool deleted a user's entire home directory. Years of data, gone. This wasn't malicious, it was an automation tool with too much system-level access and not enough constraint. The lesson here isn't about one vendor or one mistake, it's about autonomy. As AI tools gain the ability to act directly on systems, the blast radius of failure grows exponentially. Guardrails, sandboxing, and permission design are no longer optional engineering details. They are executive-level concerns. That theme carries into the public sector. The UK's partnership with Google DeepMind aims to apply AI to science, energy, and public services, while explicitly embedding security oversight through the AI Security Institute. The signal is subtle but important. Governments want the upside of AI, but only if safety and accountability are built in from day one. Zooming out even further, the macro picture is staggering. Analysts estimate $7 trillion is being deployed globally toward AI infrastructure. And yet, this still represents less than 1% of GDP, below historic investments in electrification or the IT boom. The opportunity is massive, but so is the systemic risk. Interconnected AI ecosystems mean that failures won't stay isolated. So here's the thread tying everything together. AI is leaving its experimental phase. The era of accountability has arrived. Mega deals and massive spending continue, but patience for vague promises is wearing thin. Organizations that win next won't be the ones with the flashiest models. They'll be the ones that anchor AI to real business problems, embed it where data already lives, and treat safety as a core design principle, not an afterthought. If this perspective resonates, the newsletter goes deeper every day, connecting strategy, technology, and risk into one coherent picture. And tomorrow, we'll keep watching how the ROI debate evolves, how agentic systems roll into production, and how the industry responds when autonomy meets reality.